Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which cookware set to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. A good cookware set is essential for every kitchen enthusiast, whether you're just starting out in your new home or if your old set is beginning to show signs of wear and tear. Buying a set is very convenient because you can get almost all the pots and pans you might need in a single purchase. However, choosing the ideal one isn't as easy as it seems. Of course, you must find the set that would suit all your needs, and it must also offer you the best possible quality. In this video, we have gathered the top 5 cookware sets available in the market. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The cookware set that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The cookware set coming in at number 5 in our list is the Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-piece set. This 10-piece cookware set includes an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 1.5 quart saucepan with cover, a 2.5 quart saucepan with cover, a 3 quart saucepan with cover, and a 6 quart stock pot with cover. It's constructed from stainless steel, providing you with a modern look and durability. The set features an impact-bonded aluminum core that functions to distribute heat evenly. Our team likes to highlight that this property provided us with remarkable browning, searing, and sautéing results. The set comes with a tempered glass lid that allows the team to keep an eye on the cooking process even while it's covered. For easy maneuverability, the cookware stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop. It's worth mentioning that each item in the set includes convenient measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers for better overall cooking experience. For easy maintenance, the set is dishwasher safe, saving you the time and energy of cleaning it by hand. The team likes to highlight that the set is compatible with most stovetops such as induction, gas, electric, and glass. Lastly, the set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily go from the stovetop to the oven. At the time of making this video, the Calphalon set comes with a 10-year limited warranty. This is great after-sales service in their parts. Overall, the team found that the Calphalon Classic Stainless Steel 10-piece set retains and transfers heat evenly. We highly suggest preheating the pan with oil so that none of the food sticks. When used properly, the set definitely delivers great cooking results. This is why we decided to place this at the number 5 spot. The cookware set coming in at number 4 in our list is the Anolon Advanced Hard Anodized Nonstick 11-piece set. The Anolon Advanced is an 11-piece cookware set that includes 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, an 8 quart covered stock pot with cover, an 8-inch French skillet, a 12-inch covered deep skillet with helper handle and cover, and a 3 quart covered sauté with cover. With a hard anodized construction, the set provided our team with even heat distribution, preventing any hot or cold spots as we cooked. Our team likes to note that the high-quality set is metal utensil safe and offers 3 premium PFOA-free nonstick layers, allowing easy food release and effortless cleanup. For proper maintenance, however, our team highly suggests washing it by hand to ensure its longevity. The set's Anolon Sure Grip handles provides a solid yet comfortable grasp, while they're dual-riveted for optimal strength and stability. It's worth mentioning that the shatter-resistant glass lids effectively maintain heat and moisture during cooking. Lastly, it's good to note that the pots and pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At the time of making this video, the set comes with a lifetime warranty. This gives you the ultimate peace of mind if you decide to order it online. The Anolon Advanced Hard Anodized Nonstick 11-piece set provided us with a great overall cooking experience. It was able to distribute heat evenly, and its silicone-covered handles stayed cool to the touch during the entire cooking process. In addition, said handles provided us a comfortable grip, allowing us to easily move the pots and pans around. This is the most expensive in our list. However, its remarkable durability and high functionality justify its price. We recommend this for individuals with a high budget. This high-end set earns the number 4 spot in our list. The cookware set coming in at number 3 in our list is the T-fal Signature Nonstick Dishwasher Safe 12-piece set. The 12-piece set includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch fry pans, 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, a 10.25-inch griddle, a spoon, ladle, and a slotted spatula. Using its ThermoSpot technology, the T-fal exclusive indicator will turn a brighter shade of red when the pan is perfectly preheated and ready for cooking. The set boasts a non-stick interior and exterior for low-fat cooking, making it perfect for individuals who prefer healthy meals. Our team likes to note its ergonomically designed heat-resistant handles that provided us with a comfortable and secure grip. This allowed the team to maneuver the set with ease. The T-fal also has vented tempered glass lids that effectively trap heat and moisture. while allowing us to monitor the cooking progress. It's worth mentioning that the cookware set is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For easy maintenance, the set is dishwasher safe, saving you the time and effort of hand washing it. Please do note that the set is safe for all stovetops except induction. Lastly, we'd like to highlight that the cookware set is PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, making it safe for the entire family. At the time of making this video, the T-fal set comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This is great after-sale service on the manufacturer's part. What our team at In the Kitchen loves about the T-fal signature Nonstick 12-piece set is its durability and reliable performance. Its Nonstick interior and exterior made cooking and cleaning a breeze. This is the most affordable option on our list, but its remarkable performance and practicality make it a worthwhile buy. This is why we have placed it at the number 3 spot. The cookware set coming in at number 2 on our list is the Cuisinart stainless steel 12-piece cookware set. This 12-piece cookware set includes 1.5 and 3-quart covered saucepans, 8 and 10-inch open skillets, a 3.5-quart covered sauté pan, an 8-quart covered stock pot, and a steamer insert with lid. The cookware features a professional triple-ply construction with a core of pure aluminum and a brushed stainless exterior. These properties provide superior heat conductivity and even heat distribution for the best cooking results. Please do note that this set is most suitable for use with induction cooktops. Our team likes to highlight the set's tapered drip-free pouring rims that allow easy transferring of food. It's worth mentioning that the set's tight-fitting cover seals in natural juices and nutrients for healthier and more flavorful results. The cookware is also equipped with cool grip handles that are secured with stainless steel rivets for stable and secure grip. Our team likes to highlight that the set is oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the most heat-resistant in our list. What our team loves about the Cuisinart stainless steel 12-piece cookware set is that it'll not discolor, react with food, or change flavors. On top of that, it boasts remarkable cooking results thanks to its properties that promote even heat distribution and maximum heat retention. This cookware set is all about maximum precision, which is why we have decided to place it in the 2nd spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 cookware set on our list, the Rachael Cucina Nonstick Pots and Pans 12-piece set. The Rachael cookware set includes 1-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, a 6-quart stock pot with lid, 8.5-inch and 10-inch frying pans, a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, a slotted turner, and a spoon. The cookware set boasts a durable, non-stick design that's crafted with heavy-duty aluminum. It's worth mentioning that the set's hard enamel porcelain exterior is able to withstand daily use. Our team likes to highlight the cookware's enhanced PFOA-free non-stick layer for easy food release and effortless cleanup. For maximum control and maneuverability, this set is equipped with dual riveted rubberized stainless steel handles. It's good to note that its shatter-resistant glass lids efficiently trap heat inside the pan and also allowed us to monitor the cooking process. The 12-piece set is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while all the pots and pans are compatible with all stovetops except induction. To match your preference, the cookware set comes in 7 colors, namely agave blue, cranberry red, lavender, lemongrass green, mushroom brown, pumpkin orange, and sea salt gray. At the time of making this video, the cookware set comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This removes any doubts about purchasing this product. Overall, this set is crafted with superior quality that ensures fast, even heating and easy-to-use functionality. Our team at In the Home finds this the ideal choice if you're looking for a cookware set that delivers remarkable results at a very reasonable price. Without a doubt, the Rachael Cucina Nonstick Pots and Pans provides you with great value for money, which is why we have decided to place this at the number 1 spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 cookware sets which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cookware set roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.